Here's one for all you fuckers across America that don't use your fucking turn signal. Alright? Check it out now. Watch. Right here. Easy to use. Blinky fucking blinky, right? Look. There's the other one. Blinky fucking blinky. Easy. One more time. You go like this. You go like this. Easy to fucking use. So for all you lane weaving assholes that don't use your fucking turn signal across America, go fuck yourself, asshole, and use the fucking thing. Have a nice day, dickheads.